Hi, how are you? How are you all doing? Today's another vlog to answer some of your questions about the hair system. So today's question is, can I dye the hair system? Of course you can. Hair system, because it's natural hair, is like a normal hair. With the sun, when you wash it and all of that, you need to dye it every, I would say, 4 or 5 months. So yes, you can dye it yourself, and this is the great thing about Hair for All. They teach you everything how to do it yourself, from fitting to cleaning to dye your hair system. So if you want to dye the hair system, all you need to do, just cover the base with some hair conditioner to not dye the base itself, and then dye the hair. Quick advice, don't leave the dye for too long. 4 minutes, 5 minutes, that would do the job. If you don't want to do it yourself, just send it to Hair for All and they will dye it for you. This is the information about the hair system today. If you have any more questions, visit hairforall.com and have a great day, guys. See you soon.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.